Are you tired of fighting with complicated prompts for your AI videos? Well, what if I told you there were only 7, that's right, just 7, simple styles you need to master? In this explainer, we're going to break them all down so you can create some amazing content and fast.
So let me ask you this. Do you want to create professional-looking AI videos for your YouTube channel or your business for free? Of course you do. Who doesn't? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Stick with me for just the next couple of minutes, and we are going to master 7 simple prompts that will totally change your video creation game. So let's dive into your new AI toolkit.
Okay, think of this as your ultimate toolkit. With these 7 commands, you'll stop prompting the AI and start directing it. This is where you go from just asking the AI for stuff to telling it exactly what to create.
First up, the cinematic prompt. This is your power move. This is how you become the camera operator. You want a dramatic zoom in? You got it. A smooth pan across a landscape? Easy. Or maybe a shaky, handheld feel for an action scene. You are in complete control of the camera.
Okay, so now you're the cameraman. Let's make you the storyteller. And that's where the timestamp prompt comes in. You can literally tell the AI what to do from 0 to 3 seconds. And then, bam! Reveals something totally new from 4 to 8 seconds. It's the secret to building suspense and, a real narrative flow.
And from storyteller to film editor, the cutscene prompt is basically your virtual editing room. Just type cut to a close-up of your character's reaction, or maybe cut to a wide shot of the whole scene. You can get multiple camera angles from a single prompt. It's incredibly powerful, trust me. Ready for a pro-level hack? You can use AI to command AI. With the GPT prompt, you can get a model like ChatGPT to write incredibly detailed scenes for you. But a quick heads up from the source, this one's probably best for more advanced users who really understand how the AI thinks.
Now, this next one solves a super common, super frustrating problem, the anchor prompt. You see, AI can be a bit forgetful. This prompt is how you remind the AI of crucial details, like a character's specific shirt, or maybe some marks on their face, to keep your video looking perfectly consistent.
And speaking of consistency, here's a brilliant shortcut for you, the image prompt. Just start with a reference picture. It's honestly the best way to lock in your character's look across a bunch of different shots, or to create those absolutely beautiful, surreal videos you've seen all over the place.
And finally, our last power move is the negative prompt. Sometimes the easiest way to get what you want is to just say what you don't want. Need a room without any windows? Just tell it, no windows. Want a silent tense scene? Say, no gunshots. It's so simple, but it's a total game changer. So, just to show you how crucial that anchor prompt is, check out this example. On the left, without an anchor, just asking for a smile made the AI completely forget the character was supposed to be covered in ash. But look on the right. By adding the anchor, the character has red embers and ash on him. The AI kept the look consistent while still changing the expression. That is the power of reminding the AI.
Okay, so you've got the toolkit. Now let's actually put it to work. Here is a super simple workflow you can use to start creating videos for your YouTube channel today. It's really just a simple 3-step process. Seriously, that's it. First, write your script and generate a starting image. That's your anchor, right? Second, pick a free tool. Google Veo has a great free tier, and CapCut's AI features are also fantastic. And third, just combine all the prompt styles we just talked about to direct your video.
And hey, for all my finance creators watching, check this out. See how this one prompt combines everything? You've got a cinematic move, the camera zooms in, you've got timestamps for pacing, and a cutscene for that dramatic effect. This is exactly how you create dynamic, professional content without spending a single rupee.
All right, we've covered the tools, we've covered the workflow, the theory part is done. Now it's your turn to get creative and to direct your very first AI video.
So forget being just a prompter. With these 7 commands, you are now the director. You have the power to control the camera, the edit, and the entire story.
So what are you waiting for? Go try these prompts right now in your favorite free tool and just see what you can create. And hey, if you found this helpful, subscribe to AI Beyond Classroom for more simple and powerful AI tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy creating.